If your iPhone's alarm hasn't been waking you up lately, you're not alone. Users across the internet have complained of oversleeping, questioning whether their alarm has gone off at all. And now we know it likely didn't, since Apple recently made a statement admitting to a bug that may silence your iPhone's alarm, and the reason why could be found in the past, since this isn't the first time iPhone alarms have failed. Back in 2010, a similar issue was caused by daylight savings time, when iPhones failed to automatically set the clock back. This caused users with a recurring alarm to wake up an hour earlier, while users with a single-day alarm didn't hear them go off at all. As a temporary workaround, iPhone users were told to set alarms 1 hour later than they wanted so that it'd actually go off at the right time. Apple eventually fixed the bug, but then ran into another issue with the alarm on New Year's Day. When waking up on January 1st, 2011, Europeans who set a single-day iPhone alarm didn't hear it go off, while users with a recurring alarm had no issues. This resulted in thousands of people being late for work, church services, and other appointments. Since America's time zone is a day behind, Apple had a chance to notify users there in a public statement, saying, "We're aware of an issue related to non-repeating alarms set for January 1st or 2nd. Customers can set recurring alarms for those dates, and all alarms will work properly beginning January 3rd. Apple never gave a reason for the bug, but considering it was the second alarm failure in a year, users became wary about using the built-in iPhone alarm, opting instead for third-party alarm apps. And that wasn't a bad idea, since iPhones are again experiencing an alarm bug in iOS 17. Thousands of users on TikTok brought attention to the issue, saying that their alarms haven't been going off for multiple days in a row, with others saying the alarm volume is so quiet that it fails to wake them up. Apple released a statement saying they're working on a fix that'll be available as soon as possible, but again, they didn't give a reason why it's happening, likely because they simply don't know. Many have speculated that the attention-aware feature could be the culprit, since it lowers the alarm volume when users look at their device. But with an official fix yet to be released, many users are again relying on third-party alarms to wake them up on time. This is Greg with Apple Explained. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.